YouTuber, YT International Business? Does Tide Bank speak the language? YT, ever dreamed of turning your side hustle into a global phenomenon? Maybe you create handmade jewelry and want to ship it across the pond, or perhaps you're a freelance graphic designer with clients scattered around the world. The beauty of the internet is it shrinks borders, but for international businesses, one crucial question arises: how do you get paid? YT, today, we're diving deep into the world of Tide banking and its international payment capabilities. If you're a Tide user considering venturing beyond the UK market, this video is for you. Buckle up, international business enthusiasts, because we're about to explore the ins and outs of receiving and, for now, partially sending international payments with Tide. The incoming: can you receive money from abroad? YT, let's get the good news out of the way first. Yes, you can absolutely receive international payments with your Tide account. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. YT, first up, the currency. Currently, Tide accepts international payments in two flavors: Euros, Euro, and Great British Pounds, GBP. YT, holding up a prop Euro note and a British Pound note, so, if your client in France wants to pay you for your web development magic, they can send Euros directly to your Tide account. The same goes for a customer in the UK using GBP. YT, here's the exciting part: Tide utilizes the SEPA network for Euro transactions. SEPA stands for Single Euro Payments Area, basically a streamlined system for transferring euros within Europe. This means potentially faster processing times and potentially lower fees for your European clients. YT, but wait, there's a catch. Dramatic music sting: while Tide offers Euro SEPA details, you'll need to specifically request them within the app and agree to their terms and conditions. Don't worry, the process is straightforward, but it's an extra step to keep in mind. YT, now, for GBP transactions, Tide relies on the trusty SWIFT network. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, a secure system for international money transfers. Your international clients can use your SWIFT details, also readily available within the Tide app, to send you GBP directly. YT, there is a small fee associated with receiving SWIFT payments, a flat 20 pence per transaction. For most businesses, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, but it's worth factoring into your pricing structure. The outgoing: can you send money abroad? With a twist. YT, alright, so receiving international payments seems like a breeze with Tide. But what about sending money abroad? Here's where things get a little interesting. YT, as of today, June 13, 2024, Tide doesn't offer the ability to directly initiate international payments, for now. That means you can't use your Tide account to send euros or any other currency to international vendors or clients. YT, but fear not, intrepid business adventurers. Tide acknowledges this limitation and hints at adding international outgoing payments in the future. So, keep an eye out for updates on their website or app. Final thoughts and a look ahead. YT, while Tide can't quite handle all your international payment needs yet, it's definitely moving in the right direction. Receiving euros and GBP through SEPA and SWIFT networks is a solid foundation for international business owners. YT, here's my takeaway: if you're just starting your international business journey and primarily deal in euros or GBP, Tide can be a great option. But, if you need a bank account that facilitates sending a wider range of currencies, you might want to explore other options that offer full international payment functionality. YT, remember, the financial landscape is constantly evolving. So, stay tuned for future updates on Tide's international payment capabilities. In the meantime, if you have any questions about your specific needs, don't hesitate to reach out to Tide's customer support. YT, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy international business ventures.